I just got a call from one of the guys, one of our or excavator operators. We have a problem. We have a excavator with a blown hose, so we're going to take a quick look at that. We believe it's the lower hose on the radiator, so I've got my mechanic now tearing that apart. So let's take a quick look. So there's our culprit right there. Okay, we got that hose off, and we're probably gonna have to get some new clamps for it too. Those clamps are probably shot. And yeah, so it's a wet mess, and we found out because the machine was overheating, so that was a real problem. So fortunately, Komatsu has a lower hose, so we're gonna take a road trip and go get that. So that's the next on the docket. Making our way over to Komatsu to pick up that lower hose, and we'll grab 2 new clamps.
Hey, you know something?
I know a lot of things. All right, so while our guy's working on getting it off, we're gonna go get the hose and come on back and we'll get it installed. Yeah, it turned out the clamp actually was what cut into the hose. That happens a lot. There's a lot of vibration on these machines, so that's not uncommon. So, you know, it just sucks. But, you know, it happens. All right, so here we are at the Komatsu store, and we just got our pipe. So here's our new hose, and we got some clamps here too. You see I got a couple fishing things here. Always ready to go fishing. While we're here, we'll take a quick look at some of the machines that are here. So, yeah. All right, so here's the hose, and so just wanted to give you guys an idea of the kind of money some of this stuff costs. And you can see right there, the hose was $494.14. $494. I might as well say $500. $500. $500 for that lower radiator hose. I don't want to hear any complaining from you guys when it comes to mulch pricing. So here's one of the new Komatsu excavators. This is a HB365LC. Now this is a hybrid machine, so they're trying to incorporate some electricity in with these machines, and certainly they've got all kinds of DEF situations. And then we move over here to this old guy. That looks like a little, you know, I'm not really sure of the number there. Maybe a 60. And then they got a couple of rollers here. We're not too interested in rollers. And then here is a nice big old Komatsu rubber tire loader. And this is a WA500. That is a big girl, ladies and gentlemen. That is a real big girl. And so yeah, so there we are. And here is another machine. Look at the size of that big boy. And yeah, so I don't even know what these are. That's a Max Ascendbogen. I don't even know. I've never seen these machines before. It's big, I'll give it that. And then we got a couple more rollers over here. So figured I'd just take you to get a look at that stuff. All right, so let's make our way back to the yard and get this hose put on. All right, so we got this old hose out, and you can see where the damage was right here. So that's split up pretty good, and we're now working to get the new hose in. The new hose is in, so we're getting the fluid, and we're gonna get it filled back up, and then return our base plate here, and we should be back in business.